Hello, Asta here and welcome back to my channel. So today I will be creating this makeup look here. It's so nice and peachy. I was so inspired by the peach colors that are so in this season. So I decided I just want to create something nice and peachy on the eyes and on the lips. Also a little bit of peach on the cheeks is nice as well. So if you want to see how I just created this look, just keep on watching. So I will be starting with my eyes today. I have a little bit of foundation on just to have a base, and first I'm gonna go in with MAC Painterly Paint Pot, and I'm just applying MAC Paint Pot from my crease up towards the brow bone because I have so much discoloration here. I just want to hide it. So this step will make sure that I have a good base for the color and I don't have any my own skin color showing through the eyeshadows. For my actual lid color, I'm going to be taking this liquid lipstick, and this is the Gerard Cosmetics Aphrodite liquid lipstick, and it's actually a peach tone. And because I'm doing a peach eye makeup look today, I need like on my eye base to be very peachy, so the other eyeshadows that I apply on top would come out more intense. So that's why I'm using a liquid matte lipstick on my lids. Little dab, a few dabs even on my lid, and I'm diffusing, tapping in this product into my lid, and I'm using Smag Brush's flat brush for that. So I'm stopping at my crease, so literally this is where I stop, I don't go any higher. So doing the same on the other eye, just applying some liquid lipstick and diffusing it. Again, just trying to tap it in rather than swipe. So I just want to set it into my lid. And again, I'm stopping at my crease. Now that I have my base color on, I'm gonna go in and get some transition shades. So next I'm taking a big fluffy brush and color from Huda Beauty palette. This one here, it's called Eden. It's a nice transition shade. It's a very light peach color. And I'm gonna just swirl that in. And I'm gonna apply that into my crease. So literally where I stopped with the liquid lipstick and I applied Painterly, this is where I'm applying the transition. So next, just to deepen up my crease, I will be taking my Rivera palette, and I've used it many times before, and there's this gorgeous coastline color. It's a nice peach color again, but it's a bit deeper than the one I just used. And I will be taking a kind of more of a fluffier but denser brush, and this one is Zoeva 227. And I'm going to darken up my crease color. I'm going back to the fluffy brush I've used before, and with no product, just diffusing the edges, making sure it's blended out seamlessly. I'm repeating the same step again, just taking some color and applying into my crease. So I'll be using the same color for a few times just to get the intensity into my crease. So now that I'm happy how my crease looks, I'm going to apply my lid color, and for that I will be using my new eyeshadow, and I bought this from MAC. I don't know if you can see it, but it's a nice kind of peachy golden peachy color, and it's gorgeous. It's called Paradisco, and this is what I'm gonna apply onto my lid. So for that I'm using a flat brush. This one is from Smag Brushes, and I absolutely love this brush to just pack the color on. So just dipping that brush into the color, and I'm gonna start packing that onto my lid. I love how this eyeshadow also has a little particles of gold, and it doesn't look flat, it just looks so beautiful. And then I'm going back to my Rivera palette, and I'm taking the Coastline color again and a MAC 221, which is a smaller blending brush, and I'm going to just deepen my crease a little bit. So where the two colors meet, I'm just going to do a little transition. I'm taking my fluffy brush again with no product, just diffusing the edges, making sure everything's blended nice and even. And I'm gonna spray my brush that I used before with some finishing spray, I'm gonna dip it into the Powder Disco color from MAC again. And I just want to intensify the lid color even more. We will always take a stand. I will be taking this ColourPop Cosmetics Bow Wow eyeshadow, and I don't know if you can see it, but it's nice kind of salmony golden shade, and I will be applying this with a flat brush onto my lids, applying that in the very center of my lid. Taking my gel liner from Bobbi Brown and a gel liner pencil. This one is from Sigma. I'm just gonna do a thin line on a top lash line. And then I will be applying the same gel liner into my waterline. And then straight away I'm taking a smudger brush and smudging the black color out before it's dry. And doing the same on the other eye. Taking my Rivera palette again and color Coastline I used before, and this Zoeva fluffy brush, and I'm going to diffuse the outer part of my eye, just applying the color underneath. Then taking my angle brush and dipping it into the black color. It doesn't really matter what black, just once it's a black eyeshadow, and darken it up the lower lash line. We'll never be alone, Savannah. So next step is to do mascara and fake eyelashes. Now, so I have my lashes on and I have my mascara on as well. So for lashes, I've used Baby Doll Lashes 3D Silk Lashes in style 709. And I also applied some mascara on my bottom lashes also. So what's left to do is to finish off my face, and this is what I'm gonna do now. So I'm just reapplying some concealer because I didn't have any before. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop. And then it's time to bring some color back into my face. So I'm starting off with MAC Medium Deep Mineralized Skin Finish Powder. Life is happy, but it's so insane. We must merely make a start. Deepen up my contour, I'm just going to use MAC Blush Harmony and a smaller brush as well. Savannah, we'll never be alone, Savannah. And for blush I will be using NARS Orgasm Blush as well, because it's a nice peachy pink, so it should go nicely with my eye makeup. Savannah. And then I'm taking another blush, and this one is Fairly Precious from MAC. And for highlight, I'm taking my Anastasia Beverly Hills Embrace highlighter and this Rebelluna brush, and I will be applying that on the highest points of my cheekbones. And on the top of my highest point of the brow, just to get more of a glowy finish to the skin. A little bit on the top here and in the center of my nose here. So just taking some Laura Mercier and translucent powder, I'm just gonna set my T-zone. Also, I'm gonna clean up my contour. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah. Also highlighting the brow bone, and I'm just using white color Sails from the Rivera palette. And of course, last thing to do is my lips, and I'm starting off as always with lining my lips, and this time I'm using a stripped down lip pencil from MAC. And then for the actual lip color, I'm just taking MAC lipstick, and it's the Coral Bliss. It's a beautiful coral lipstick. And here's the finished look. So it's all peach everything. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you would create this type of makeup or use these type of colors just for the summertime, because it's nice and light and girly. I love it. I love how it turned out. I think it's beautiful. So if you have any questions regarding this look or any other questions, make sure to comment below and give me a thumbs up if you liked this video, and I will see you in my next video.